boy already tried doing this on his own. I already screwed up one of his lights. So I got my buddy here. He's gonna help me with the wiring. The guy that owned this car before me had a ton of like aftermarket crap. These are all the like different like things he had going on. That's why I got super confused. I mean, as you guys can see, this guy had a ton of crap going on up in there. Obviously your lights are gonna come with a manual. If you're like me and find the physical stuff better, that's what the purpose of this video is. You do have to take your bumper off for this. You're gonna have to unscrew all these. There's some stuff under here that you're gonna have to undo. You are gonna have to remove the fog lights and stuff, as well as your side markers. I got some side markers that we're gonna throw in the car as well. I'm almost 100% positive the guy that owned this before me had it boosted. According to Tom, this is like a, what is that, an O2 sensor or something?
That's a mass airflow sensor.
Mass airflow, the parent aftermarket stuff. We actually have to drain that catch can. My point in saying that is because I haven't removed the bumper on this car yet. So I'm wondering if there's still the cooler for the turbo. You don't have to take the grill off, the fog lights. You just take this. There's enough room to kind of pull this off. Cooler is definitely not aftermarket. So the bolts are one right here, and then this one right here, and there's one over there. They're pretty self-explanatory to pop in.
So this is your daytime running light. Yellow is your blinker.
You plug your shit in to the actual thing before cutting wires. That's a great idea, Tom. I would have just cut the wires and fucked everything up.
Is that really funny?
What? We definitely need a new eyeball for sure. Bro, that's actually cool.
Well, I might have popped your DRL fuse, but that's okay. That's a fuse up in the fuse box.
The resistor right here, I had to get a new one. We burnt that out when we were doing the blinkers. Which it is what it is. It comes with modifying a car. A completely different day. It's actually not like freezing today. So it was a taillight fuse that we ended up blowing when we were messing around with the blinkers and stuff. I'm pretty new to this. I don't know if you guys can see. See how that one isn't connected? That one is connected in the middle there. So it's blown. Start it up. Oh, my side markers are bright as hell. Damn. Make sure it's not in gear though.
It's in neutral.
Bro, that looks fucking so cool. You feel free to call me an idiot for saying this, but I genuinely feel like shoes make a difference in how the driving experience. I didn't realize it was you guys. What's going on?
Not too bad, buddy. How you doing?
Pretty good. I got my headlights in.
Hey.
Don't they look cool as hell?
They look so good.
That's what they look like in the darker area, bro. They really are cool, man. Like, I wish I could like show you guys what they look like in person. I was like over here trying to get it on camera and I couldn't really grab it. The main reason I haven't gotten like, say, one of the mirrorless cameras like the Sony a6600 is two reasons. The stability on the GoPro is ridiculous. There's no camera out there that beats the GoPro's stability, and I very like seldomly have a camera on a freaking tripod. You know, I'm always moving around doing crap, so it's like a waste of money. Dude, that they really do. They look so cool, man. Obviously the car needs to be lowered and stuff still, and do a few other things. But yeah, man, that's pretty much all I got for you guys for this video. I mean, hopefully that you guys can kind of like just see it now. But yeah, that's gonna bring us to the end of it, man. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to throw a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, subscribe if you're new, and all that stuff. And I will catch you guys next video. Peace.